What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to try to squeak out a short video before a snowstorm comes. I've been battling so hard to try to get my vehicle clean. I finally got it clean just the other day, and it was like a super fast, I don't really want to even talk about what I had to do because I'm disgusted with how gross and grimy it was, but I got the vehicle clean, right? So I've been wanting to knock out this video. I've got this product from Hawk Auto Essentials. The guy has his own detailing, mobile detailer in New Jersey, so that's how I guess our paths crossed, that and Instagram. So I've been seeing this product in particular. So I've been wanting to test this out. They sent us this product, and it's got their tire gel in it. Now, disclaimer, you don't have to use their tire gel. So basically, we're going to talk about the tire gel, their tire dressing in there. I'm going to talk about this product. And then they also sent this, which I can't really use in today's video, but I did want to show you. This is their, we got a lighting situation here. Hello? Get out of here with that. Wow, okay, so there was still a lighting situation. That's worse. Jesus Christ, I need better lighting. Oh, that's a little bit better. So this is called Essential Gloss. I guess it's, you know, a sealant. It says coating booster, drying aid, seals and protects surface with powerful durability. So seems like a solid product. I did put a clip on this because the bottle came, that's how the bottle came, and that was my only negative critique. It's the same goddamn IK shenanigans until they came out with the fatty on it. Otherwise, you're rolling with that. So I took one of the IK things off for now. This way, when I do get around to testing this, get on there. There. When I do get around to testing this, which I will probably on the Telluride, I'll have that. Anyway, I'm going to show you. This is the little container. There's a push button here, right? But there's also a little bit of a tape situation here so it doesn't just leak out. The whole premise behind this is that it's gonna go through here, and we're gonna be using this as the applicator. Now I'm gonna take this off so I can start squirting. Let's see. Okay, so it's gonna come with a tiny little bit of electrical tape there. That's basically the design of it, is that there's, you know, a hole pass through here. When you push this down, it's gonna be bukkake tire gel. So you can put any brand that you use, like if you use Oberk Slick Shoes, if you use any of these companies, you use Shine Supplies dressing, any of these products or their product. So it's up to you. Right now I'm just basically focusing on the applicator. So let's just see. Let me just show you what this does. I guess visually here. Oh, are you serious? If I just leave that there, it looks like somebody literally drive-by spunked on my porch. That's kind of funny. So this is just gonna be what it is. Okay, sweet. This is what we're working with. There's nothing on this bad boy. It is clean though. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna line this up so that the little opening is there, and we're basically just gonna go to town here. I guess we're just gonna I don't know how we should prime this, but I guess I'm gonna squirt it. Okay, I guess that's the best way to get it started. Now I can tell you I like that this is got like a little bit of a flat edge here, because this is gonna end up being awesome for that. And then I guess, you know, as I'm going, I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it and quit it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, I was a little skeptical about this, but I'm gonna end up buying a second one. That's what's gonna end up happening here. I can see it happening already, you know. I know you got these people that are doing... What is this fucking guy? What does he want? So this tire dressing in general actually looks pretty good. Yeah, this applicator is honestly freaking phenomenal. Obviously, you know, the squirter is gonna be a little aggressive, which I kind of like, because then it's getting on there. And if you get some on your tire, your wheel, so be it. Oh well. That's, you know, the price to pay. You know, just dab it and go. This is honestly, it's honestly really nice. This thing is honestly, it's honestly OCD. I like it. So one thing I really do like, if you want, you know, you could take this off, and if you want to get a little bit lower on the tire, it's pretty good. That's not freaking bad, man. So the last thing I want to just talk about real quick and mention, they did post some stories about this. It was one of the questions I had, not necessarily a concern of mine, because I don't have this type of tire anymore. I did have it, like an all-terrain or off-road type tire. I had that on the Tahoe. Would this work on that? And based on what I saw in the video, now this is no experience of mine just yet, I would say, based on my hunches, not 100%. It's not possible, because from what I saw in the video, and just from my experience too, you can't. There's no way. There's no way that something like this is going to do that unless you're sitting there molding it and bending it, and even then, you're never going to get OCD type coverage. You're going to have something like this or something like this. There's just no way around it. Now, if you have an aerosol type setup and you have one of those things where you can put it on an air sprayer, one of those type setups, or the new Rag Company tire applicator, if you have something like that, then you know you'll never have to worry about paintbrushes and whatnot. But I feel like if you're gonna have an all-terrain or an off-road tire, you're gonna need this. But then again, same thing. Like I used a microfiber towel or a real thin applicator, some sort of anything. If you don't want to move the tire, there's never going to be 100% a perfect thing, but I would say for absolutely the vast majority of you guys, this is going to do what it needs to do. This is the ticket. This is a very good item for you to have, and it checks most of the boxes. It does not check all of the boxes because, like I said, off-road, all-terrain people, you're going to still have to go in there if you don't want to have undressed nooks and crannies. There's just no way around that. But amazing anyway. So I just did all the tires. I mean, obviously, I usually go overboard with my applicator. I don't know how much this actually holds, but this thing held up really well. It's got some scrapes on it because I got close to the ground. As with pretty much any tire application method, I usually either roll the vehicle up or I take a cloth microfiber or some kind of thin applicator to get the bottom part. But just so you know, you could just basically take this and bukkake. Semen colored goodness. This is great. No, well, maybe that's not semen colored. I mean, if your shit's yellow, that's a little bit of a freaking situation. Let's take a look at the final results. So yeah, I got down on the bottom. I didn't get any smearing on my wheels, which is nice. My wheels aren't perfectly clean though, so that sucks to be me. Oh well, I gotta deal with that fact, right? And it's just a nice dark look. It's not overly glossy, like I like it. It's like a satin, nice little sheen. For some reason, this always applies nicer. Some of my tires, no matter how much I've prepped them, like this one's the worst. You get splotchiness, like up here, splotchy. This tire just sucks. I think it's just a tire. It's got nothing to do with anything else because it's everything. But you know, we got good application. It gets into the crevices, and it's a solid feel in your hand. You feel like you got a good grip. I give this product my seal of approval. I think this is a solid winner. I'm going to link this down below. I honestly think you should go check it out. I don't think you can go wrong adding something like this to your arsenal, and for the price, you absolutely cannot go wrong. I would pick up 2 and get some extra of these. Obviously try to clean these, take care of these. These are foam, these are a wear and tear item. Eventually you will have to replace it. You have to clean it, take care of your stuff. The bottle's awesome. Definitely check out their tire dressing also. I think it's pretty good. Long-term durability, have no idea. I just applied it, but I do think it's a solid product. I'm gonna link it down below. Go check it out, Hawk Auto Essentials. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and humble, and eventually I'll be able to try this product out, but I just wanted to let you know this is what they're currently offering. I see good things for them. I have a feeling they're going to add more products down the line. This is their contact information for the mobile detailing if you are in New Jersey and you want to check it out. There's a Instagram as well. He does some pretty cool cars. He does some solid detailing work, and that's how he's grown his business. He's been in the field, so go check this out. I definitely see myself using this and getting another one in the future. See you guys on the next one.